Love it. Love it so much. Tapos, gusto ko lang magbigay ng appreciation to Art of Wang. Ito, meron siyang artwork for Comic Cat Pride na binenta niya. And I love it so much. Tignan mo, ang fresh ko dito. Parang hindi ako to. Kasi look at me right now, I'm not fresh. Oh my gosh, not fresh. It's the result of working for 3 days straight. Ito, more letters. From... walang nakasulat. Hi, Janine. Ayan. I'm bringing a nice gift in the... Oh, thank you so much, Sir Lori. Just let me know when you're here. Just chat me. Pumunta ka ng Comic at Pride. Gusto kong pumunta ng Comic at Pride. Kaso busy kami. Until when ba yung Comic at Pride? Siguro kung meron pa bukas, pupunta ako. Ooh, what is this? From Aika. Ito, from Aika. Sana pagkain. Joke lang. Wala na akong wrapping paper. Advance Merry Christmas. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Sana nagustuhan mo. Ay, nagustuhan ko yung gift mo. Thank you so much sa gift. Wow! I love it so much. Boom. Okay. Hanggang 16 lang yung Comic at Pride. That is so sad. So sad. Miss Joyce, mag-ingat ka. Sa lahat ng mga magiliw na pumunta sa Viva Cafe gig namin kanina, na nag-travel pa from such a long distance. Take care on your way home, guys. Because it's raining. Oh, nakakita kasi ako ng blind box. Blind box! Bawal pala ako magsigaw-sigaw dito. This is from Rina. Oh, thank you so much. Okay, bubuksan na natin. Ano kaya ang nasa loob nito? Joe, sorry, wala kami. It's okay, guys. Kung hindi kayo makapunta sa mga gigs namin, it's very fine. Kung wala kayong pera, okay lang. Okay lang talaga. Ipunin nyo yung pera nyo for yourself. And prioritize your health. Oh, ang cute! Ang cute, ang cute. Ang OA ko. Ang cute! Pink yung hair niya. Hi, Lyndon! Miss you so much, Lyndon, Kyle. Oh! That was a close one. Muntik na siya ma-fall. Gift mo to. Ang ganda, ang cute. Pink yung hair niya. Just like mine in a few weeks. Oh! Tignan natin kung magiging pink. Actually, meron akong... Ito. Okay. Ito, found it. Binuksan ko na doon kasi na-excite ako. Bagong, pampaingay. Bagong pampaingay.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Hey. Bakit ang bango? Nag-spray kayo ng pabango dito, no? Mga kapitbahay. Tulog na ba kayo? Tulog na ba kayo? Mga kapitbahay. Bawal na to. Delikado na to. Baka magka-letter ako bigla dito. Magkaka-letter ako bigla dito. Sasabihin nila, bakit ka nag-iingay? Pag nag-iingay ka dito, papaalisin ka na namin dito. Oh, what's this? This must be a bracelet. Ooh! Slay! Cute. It is a bracelet. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Kanta ka dayang. Okay. Sige, kanta tayo.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Dayang. Ooh. Nauubos na ng matatnan. At para bang naghihintay na lang manginan ang mawala na ng tuluyan. Guys, may nagbigay din sa akin ng Asim Kilig snacks kanina. May mga mango, tas may mga atin lang bagok. Di ko alam kung ano yung Tagalog ng bagok. Pero in Kapampangan, bagok. Yes. Okay, next paper bag. Ito, di ko pa nabuksan. So, who is this from? This is from Rick May. Pasalubong from Taiwan. Aw, thank you so much. Ooh, what is this? Ooh. I think ang ingay ko. May narinig akong nag-open ng door sa labas. Careful. Careful. Okay, next. Next, I got this cute bag. Cute bag. Cute bag. Cute bag with some goodies inside. What are these? Ooh. Oh, it's not just for me. Meron din yung other members. Okay, I will distribute these. Siguro pang luggage ito. Yes, para sa mga luggage ito. Hi, Kuya Vinny. Careful. Mahinahon lang. Tapos may mga socks dito. Tapos meron ito, Dreamcatcher. Dreamcatcher's 2024 Season's Greetings. This is from Bree. Hello, Miss Bree. Thank you so much. Oh, here's another gift. Let's open it. Ooh, cute! May bago akong isasabit sa kwarto ko. Mahilig ako magsabit ng mga bagay-bagay dito. Ta-da! Thank you so much. Ooh. What else is here? Oh, meron din Stray Kids na something. The third album, Stray Kids. Wow, I love Stray Kids. Hyunjin. Okay. Yan. Tapos may nagbigay din ng OTAP. Maraming salamat sa OTAP. Bubuksan natin ito ngayon, itong OTAP. Hi, Gian! How are you? Gian! Kasi gutom ako. Hindi pa ata ako nag-proper dinner for tonight. Yun. Hi, Ate Sofa. Maraming salamat sa OTAP. Ubusin ko muna to. Hi, Miss Nina. Hello, Sue. Hello, Erica. Hope to see you soon when I model again, Miss Nina. Joke. Ganda. Yesterday. Yesterday, childhood days. Wow! Slay! Hi, mommy. I love you so much. Love you too. Hindi pa ako nakapag-pack. Hali ko pa may kapag-pack. Bukas siguro mag-pack na ako. Okay, what else do we have here? Boom. This is from Nurse Main. Hi, Nurse Main. Yeah. Ooh, pencil case. Ooh, Anya. Okay, babasahin ko ito mamaya. And the last gift for last two gifts for tonight bago ako mag-end ng live. From Miss Sai. Hiya. Wow, slime. Slime ba to? Slime ba to? Ay, kala ko slime. Inhaler pala. Sorry. So sorry. Ay, ang cute! Ang cute! Ang cute! Thank you so, so much. What else do we have here? Yeah, inhaler pala siya. Aw, sabi ni mommy. Hi everyone, good night everyone. Thank you for all the love for Jao and the whole Alamat. Thank you guys for the love. I appreciate you all so much. Woo! New hat! Boom. And we're done for today. For tonight. We're done for tonight. Gusto ko din i-shoutout si Miss Nick. Hi, Miss Nick Go. Binigyan niyo kami ng fan. Isa-isa kaming lahat alamat. Yung fan na high-tech. So advanced in technology. Yung mukhang blow dry pero slay siya. Thank you so much, Miss Nick. Okay. And we're done for tonight. Bye guys. Amuyin natin tong inhaler na to. Oh? Oh? Ang slay! So relaxing. Slay. Ganito siya. Dalhin ko to sa Canada. Love it so much. Love it so much. Is that eucalyptus? Di ko alam. Di ko siya mabasa. Thai siya eh. Sabi niya ano, รายการต่อไปนี้เหมาะสมสำหรับผู้ชมที่มีอายุ 13 ปีขึ้นไปอาจมีภาพ เสียง หรือเนื้อหาที่ต้องใช้วิจารณญาณในการรับชม ผู้ชมที่มีอายุน้อยเหมาะ 13 ปีควรได้รับคำแนะนำ Ayun. So, di ako sure. Kain. Bakit kabisado yung Raikan topping? Di ko alam. Happy Pride! Ang saya kaya manood ng BL. Yun yung nagpapakilig sa akin. Happy Pride! What did you... Wala, di ako nag-watch ng BL ngayon. Usually, anime talaga pinapanood ko. Shonen anime. Ja, what's your reaction nung nalaman mong wala na yung... Oh, it's sad. Pero... Na-enjoy ko yung yung bad buddy talaga. So it's a good thing that I didn't learn about it before watching it. Wow. Puro BL recommendations sa sa comments. Sige. Nag-type lang kayo. Musta brownout kahapon? Masaya. Actually, 2 times namatay yung kuryente nung before kami sumalang. Drought ramen kaiju number 8. Sige, I'm gonna try that. Mmm. How's your experience sa Albay? Masaya. I wish we could have stayed there longer, pero may ganap the next day, so we needed to go home. Hi, George. Careful! Careful! Jao, do you plan on having more piercing? Hiyata Hatsukoi. Napanood ko na yung Hiyata Hatsukoi. Mi, sabi nila, amoy patis ka daw. Hala! Guys, amoy patis ako. You should eat them. Yeah, I'm gonna eat dinner after this. Guys, Jao, ano ang advice mo sa mga gusto matuto ng Kapampangan? Go! Jao, mag-dance ka ba with Team A? Ano yung Team A? A-Team. A-Team yan na. Gusto ko, actually, nung wala pa ako sa Alamat, diba, we compete in inter-school dance competitions. Yung team namin sa Pampanga. So, we idolize, like, the groups here. So, When I was in Pampanga, pangarap ko mag-A-team. Ganon. So if I get the opportunity to dance with them, why not? I would love to. Pangarap kong mag-compete internationally on a dance team. Ano sininghot mo? Inhaler! Check, careful! Chill! Ito. Thigh inhaler. Sarap yung otap. Yes! I love otap. Love it so much. Drink water. Okay! I'm gonna drink water later. Bye, guys! Bye-bye.